Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we enable hotspot on a Mac OS. For that, guys, just click on Apple icon, click on System Settings. So you can just click on General. In General, you click on Sharing. In Sharing, you click on Internet Sharing. Here you click on Turn On. So it is turned on. If you're doing it for the first time, click on I, take the Wi-Fi, try to click on whichever device if you want. If you have Wi-Fi, do it Wi-Fi. If your iPhone connected to the laptop, Mac laptop, which I'm trying to connect, click on this and click on done. This is how internet sharing will be on if you now turn on. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.